Hey, Unclecow Army. Just Unclecow checking in. Got my knifeless wingman and my notorious EDC beer bomb in leather slip. If I can get it out of my pocket. I'm sorry, I'm wearing basketball shorts today. It's hot outside. Beer bomb. So you can see the head. You use the screwdriver part a lot. I use the pry part a lot. Not so much the bottle opener, but still useful. Very useful in a non-knife friendly environment. So doing okay. Should be an easy weekend for Unclecow. And then Monday, I'm going out with a guy from the other house for lunch. And then Tuesday, it's lunch with my mom and nephew. Don't think there's mail in this. I don't think I'm getting any mail from this meeting, but that's okay. That's probably a good thing. But she's bringing me a couple things. We'll have lunch. I can have a beer. I'm only allowed to have a beer while I'm not in the house, so I'm not allowed to have it in the house. So I can only have one when I'm out. That's just a rule they have. And of course the no knife rule. So the no knife wingman and the notorious EDC beer bomb, very useful tools. Drop any questions in the comments if you have any. Video requests. I'm always looking for ideas, guys. I just came outside to do a quick check-in. I think this is what the channel is going to be, unless I get a piece of gear that I can actually review. I cannot figure out how to do a video with the Lantern Bashir Bear scent. Eventually I'll figure that out. I haven't even really looked at the thing. I'm gonna look at the thing. Maybe I'll try to fit that in this weekend. Hopefully. Other than that, hopefully nothing else important is coming up. I have a meeting with my case manager on the 10th, but that's nothing to worry about. That's just a monthly check-in with her. That's standard. That's her doing her job, just seeing how I'm doing. All right. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Remember, guys, leave those comments and requests. Questions are a good thing. Video requests are a good thing. A shout out to Grumpy Grunt. Thank you for the weekly shout outs. They probably help me. I have no idea, but it's nice to know people are thinking about me. Stay tuned, stay safe, and like I always say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.